Located at the newly opened Drury Plaza Hotel at Disney Springs, this 2-room king bed suite is in the new Cypress Tower, and some rooms offer views of Disney Springs, Epcot, and far-off views of Magic Kingdom Park. There is one king bed in the bedroom, a pull-out queen sofa sleeper in the living room, and a television in each room. In-room amenities include free Wi-Fi, a microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker, iron and ironing board, and a hairdryer. All guests at this hotel will also be offered a free breakfast buffet and up to 3 free alcoholic beverages per 21+ adult per day during select evening hours. Alongside this, the Drury Plaza Hotel offers the same early theme park entry that Disney's own hotels offer. This hotel has bus transportation to all the Disney theme parks. It is within walking distance to Disney Springs and is located just a few hundred feet from the Disney Springs roadway entrance to Walt Disney World. In the lobby, guests can expect 24-hour free coffee, both regular and decaf, as well as a marketplace and bar area. The resort hotel's pool is saltwater, not chlorine-based. At night, you'll be able to catch Florida sunsets as well as partial views of the nearby park's fireworks. To reiterate, a king bed, a queen pull-out sofa sleeper, a free breakfast buffet, bus transportation, free alcohol and coffee, and a pool with firework views. All of this for the price of Disney's current value resorts like Disney's Pop Century Resort. Prices are subject to change. Head to druryhotels.com to see current pricing.